Crown Royale 8226. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. We're going to find out who wins the Pistons. On 5 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is 6s. 5 times, 6s on top. That's one as well. Joel Maloney, congratulations. Oh, awesome. Oh shit, sorry, yes, Bone was meant to be next. Miles McBride, Pascal Siakam, Josh Giddey, Chris Duarte. A jersey, Essa Throne, Corey Kispert. And on-card auto to 49, Andre Drummond, my bad. I literally forgot that I had Bone. Trey Murphy, bronze. And test of time to 75, Steve Nash. This won't take long. This is like the thing I joked about doing yesterday, but on purpose. I mean, I joked about doing it on purpose yesterday, but this time it's an accident. Luka Garza, Julius Randle, Colin Sexton, Jalen Green. A jersey of GB3. For the Jazz, it's Carlos Booza, 275, 775. Bronze of Christian Wood, and a red to 49 of Trey Murphy. Ben Simmons, Derrick Rose, Russell Westbrook, CJ McCollum. A Essa Throne of Quinny Grimes. For the Lakers, a little bit of Rick Fox Gold to 10. Jeez, that's a clean card. 5 of 10 for Rick Fox for Lakers. Vucevic Bronze. And to just 25, test of time, Carmelo Anthony. Lakers having a day out. Alright, final one. Oh, these are short print. Give us a short print. Mobley, Isaiah Williams, Luka Doncic, Moses Moody. A Clyde Drexler Hall of Fame. To 49, Ron Mercer. Pascal Siakam, and the bottom corner on this is cooked. This may be worth seeking a replacement. 23-25, Trae Young. That is Cactus. Ugh. God, depressing Crown Royale break. Ugh.